Hi everyone, we just wanted to give you a quick tutorial on the thermostat. We are on the Carnival Celebration, so it's a newer ship, about 4 months old now. I'm assuming the newer ships will also end up having this thermostat. The Jubilee, the Mardi Gras that came out before this ship probably is the same one. But just wanted you to see that the blue is your air conditioning and the red is your heat. So we currently have it kind of right in the middle of the coldness. The air conditioning works really well so far. So doing it full blast air conditioning, we find it a little chilly. Sometimes we'll pump that up when we're doing showers and drying hair and that sort of thing. We'll put it on the highest one, which is this one right here. So the way you turn it up and down is this is your up. So you're turning the air conditioning up, and then this is turning it down. So if we wanted to go up, we just push that again. So now we're at the maximum air conditioning, and I just heard the fan kick on a little higher, and then you just tap on this to bring it down a little lower. And this one, oh, there we go. So this is sort of the just turning the air around that's in the room. So it's not heat, nor is it air conditioning. So you can put it on there too if you just, want to sit there and not worry about hot or cold. But anyways, the other thing that's kind of neat is this little snowflake thing. It's going to give a blast of cold air for about a minute or so. There, I just heard the fan kick on. So, and there it just switched it over to max AC. So, if you come in from being out in the 90-degree weather or something, and you just hit that, it'll give you a quick blast of cold air. So the other thing I just wanted to show you too was this little card holder. It will shut off your lights and your AC. As far as I know with the AC, if you pull that out, it should shut it down. So as well as the lights. You'll see in about a minute or so that'll go out. So if you're having trouble keeping your lights on or your AC on, then you want to make sure that you've got a card in there. This is our room steward's card that he gave us, and so we just plop that in there. If we need to get a hold of him, his information is there too. So, and then we've got some light switches for the room. Oh, see what it just did? So I'm going to plop that back in there, and it turns it back on. So that was good timing. So hopefully that helps you a little bit. As far as I know, we've got a square interior. If you've got a balcony, you have to make sure the handle on the door is in the lock position. So again, if your room is warm, always make sure that latch is closed so that your AC is working. And this is just a quick little tutorial on that, and I can hear the fan going down. So hope you like this video, and please subscribe to our channel for all things cruising. Until next time, we'll see you later.